Okay, squad. So I want to say thank you guys for 70 subscribers. I don't know what I would do without you guys. Anyways, today we're playing Escape Uncle Joe's House Obby. It's a new. So let's get started. So it says Uncle Joe. Uncle Joe has gone mad. 1. Ooh. I wonder what 1 and 2. Oh. Okay, it looks like I'm doing this right. Ew. Okay, my wings might be in the way, but whatever. 3. Oh, with me. Okay, when the people are walking, oh, they, wait, where are we supposed to go? Find the key. Okay, well, we're supposed to find the key. Okay, so it's not gonna talk. What's a mess? We need to find a way out. Okay. So, I don't think I can do this. But don't tell me I get pooped out. That'd be disgusting. I'll be open up way down here. Okay, looks like I'm going down here. I was like, ew, how much gum does this guy eat? I don't know. Oh my god, I don't want to get pooped out, you guys. It says what goes in must come out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, with me. I'm hella laggy right now, you guys. Like, I'm lagging, so, because, like, there's so many, like, I have a lot of YouTube channels open. Okay, sorry guys, I'm really lagging, kind of. Okay. Wait, what? Watch out, the baby trapped the room. Okay. Oh, okay. I don't know why I just said that. Okay, so, wait. Where's, oh, okay, I don't think we're supposed to touch the people. So we're gonna go this way. This one. Okay, sorry I don't like talk that much because I'm trying to focus at the moment. Oh shoot, I'm not good at this. Okay, I'm gonna go with. Okay, it's not red, you guys. So it's either yellow or green. I'm gonna go with green actually. Okay, it's yellow, you guys. It's yellow. Dude, it's yellow. I don't know. I'm just gonna follow this guy. My feet goes on. Dude, don't look at me. I don't know. Okay, it's red. So it has to be green. I was just following that guy. I must think I'm a stalker. Oh my god, so I can do this. I'm like, sorry guys, I'm like hella laggy right now. Okay, I can probably make this jump. Oh. Oh, okay, never mind. I thought we were just supposed to not touch the yellow. Okay, what? Go through the sewer. What's the sewer? Oh, I'm dumb. I'm dumb. I was like, what's a sewer? And I'm so dumb. Oh my god, how long is this obby, you guys? No, I died. Rip me. Sorry, I'm like, if you see me like looking down, it's because I'm checking my phone. Oh my god, you guys can tell I'm hella laggy. I'm super duper laggy. Okay, oh, we're supposed to go. Okay, how did that guy die? It's like, at the hard jump down, jump down. Okay, okay, thank you, Jean. I'm just copying, I'm just gonna follow this guy, you guys. Hey, thank you, Jean. I don't think I've been here. Wait, hold on. Okay, I just had to survive one more and then. No! That guy pushed me off. Okay, guys, it was this one. Then, no, wait, it was that one. Then that one. Okay. It was that one. This one. And then. Okay. Okay, no. Girl, don't go in that one. Oh, okay, I remember. Okay, guys, I'm so dumb. Oh, is that guy waiting for me? Oh, how's that? Oh my god, guys, I don't remember. What's that? Why is that? I think that girl's waiting for me. I don't know what number. I think it was this. No, wait. It was not. Oh wait, yeah. Was it this one? I don't remember, you guys. Oh yeah. Okay. Alright, who's? Okay, someone's talking to me in Roblox. So, okay, guys, I'm trying to finish this obby for you guys, basically. Okay, hold on. I can't see with these rings. These rings are like hella hard to see. Okay. Okay, I think we're supposed to go this way. Yeah, we're supposed to go this way. Oh, okay, this is not my brother. Oh, well, with me. I died, you guys. You know, those trees. I think it's Kanto. I don't know. I should know, because I took Spanish. Oh my god, guys, I'm so dumb. I can't. Okay, Evil Queen Squad, so that's it for the video. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to join the Evil Queen Squad. That's what I want to say. Also, thank you guys for 70 subscribers. I don't know what I would do without you all. But since this summer, my like you guys want me to post like 2 weeks. Like I don't know. Just tell me in the comments below. Also go join my Discord group chat. I made a video about that right here. This is join my Discord. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Adios, Evil Queen Squad, and I love you all so much. And bye.